Next question is Meena walked 26 meters to south. So let us say Meena is here and she walked 26 kilometers. That is 26.6 kilometers to south. She turns her right and walks 19.5 meters. So at this point she turns 19.5. Let us say this is 19.5 meters. Okay. Next, she moves 23.4 meters to her left. So her left would be on this side, and she moves 23.4. So this is 23.4 meters. Okay. Next, she moves 8.5 meters to left. Again, she moves 8.5. Let us say this is 8.5. 8.5 meters. Now the question tells us how far is she from her starting position. So this is his final position. This is her starting position. Okay. Now let us see here. Since this length is 19.5 up to this it is 8.5. So this length. So I will use another color. So this length would be sorry. So this length would be 19.5 minus 8.5. So this is 11. Okay. Here we have 26.5. Here we have 23.4. So this length is also 23.4. Okay. Let me change the color again. So we can see we have to find this very distance. We form a right angle triangle here. The base is 11 and height is this is 26.6 and 23.4. This comes out to be 50. So height is 50, base is 11. So we have to find the hypotenuse. As we know, the length of this red line hypotenuse would be simply that would be equal to under root of 50 square plus 11 square. So 50 square plus 11 square, which is equal to 2500 plus 11 square is 121, and this comes out to be 2621. So 2621 under root 2621 would be the distance between the final position and his initial position. So 2621 to find its root. So I will rub this. I will erase here this. Okay, now finding the square root of 2621, we can manually calculate the square. We form the pairs from the units place. So we have two pairs here. So it is 5. 5s are 25, and here we will get 1, and this 2 1 will come down. So this 5 gets doubled. So this becomes 10. So 101 into 1 is equal to 101. So we got 51 point something would be. So in the option we can see we have 51.19. So the correct option would be B option, that is 51.19. I hope I make myself clear. This was a tricky one. Next question is A's present age in years is 20% of B's age. After 30 years, A's age will be one half of B's age. The sum of the present ages of A and B is. So we will see what is the correct option. Let us say age of B be X. Let us say age of B is equal to X. Okay. Therefore, age of A would be simply 20% of age of B. So that is 20% of X is equal to 1 by 5 of X. Okay. So this is age of B. This is age of A. After 30 years. So after 30 years, age of B would be equal to x plus 30. Okay, and age of a would be equal to x divided by 5 plus 30. Okay, now the relationship between their ages after 30 years is that uh, age of a is one half the age of b, that is x divided by 5 plus 30 is equal to one half of the age of b, that is x plus 30. So I will write here x plus 30. Okay, now solving this will become x divided by 5, we transpose 1 by 2 x here, so this will become minus x divided by 2 is equal to, here 2 ones are 2 30s are, so we have 15, and transposing this will become minus 30. Now 2x minus 5x is equal to minus 3x, so minus 3x divided by 10 is equal to 30. 15 minus 30 is minus 15. When solving, this will be x is equal to, so this minus minus gets cancelled, x is equal to 15, and we reciprocate this 3 by 10 on RHS, so this will become 10 divided by 3. This is 3 ones are 3, 5s are 15, 5 tens are 50. So x is equal to 50, that is x was the age of b, so age of b is 50, and age of a is 20% of x, that is 1/5. Therefore age of a is equal to 1/5, that is 20% of age of x, that is b, which is equal to 1 by 5 into 50. So this will be 5 ones are 5 tens are, so we get age of a is equal to 10 and age of b is equal to 50. So 50 plus 10, the question tells us the sum of the present ages of a and b, so this is 50 plus 10 is equal to 60 would be the correct option. So correct option would be 60 years. Next question is, Sita and Geeta had certain number of chocolates with them. If Geeta gives 5 chocolates to Sita, the ratio of the chocolates with Geeta and Sita is 3:2. So Geeta initially Geeta gives 5 chocolates to Sita. So initially Geeta minus 5 chocolates divided by Sita plus 5 chocolates would be, the ratio is 3:2, that is 3 by 2. Okay, after that if Sita gives 5 chocolates to Geeta, in the second condition, if Sita gives 5 chocolates to Geeta, that means we would have Geeta plus 5 chocolates divided by Sita minus 5 chocolates. The ratio would become 4:1. Okay, we are told how many chocolates Geeta had initially. We have to find initially the number of chocolates with Geeta. So we will just use the space here. Now we will solve this equation. When solving this equation, we will get 2g minus 3s is equal to 25. Okay, when we solve this equation, because of the lack of space I am not able to show the full answer, so you can solve this and form the equation 2g minus 3s is equal to 25. And when solving this equation, we will get g minus 4s is equal to minus 25. Okay, so I will rub this here. So we got these two equations. After that we will solve them. So we will multiply, let us say this is equation first, second. We multiply equation second by 2 to make the coefficients of g same. So multiplying this by 2, this will become 2g minus 2g minus 8s. 8s is equal to minus 50. Okay, let this be equation third. Now we subtract equation third from equation 1. So we subtract equation third from 1. So this will become minus, this is plus, and this is plus. So I will rub this so that the answer gets clear. So I have subtracted these two. When we subtract equation 2 to 3 from equation 1, this will become minus, this will become plus, this will become plus. So 2g and 2g gets cancelled. Okay, now we have minus 3s plus 8s. So this is 5s. Now 5s is equal to, we have 25 plus 50, which is equal to 75, or s is equal to 75 divided by 5, which comes out to be 15. So Sita initially has 15 chocolates. So s is equal to 15. So we put the value of s is equal to 15 in equation first. So we will put the value of s is equal to 15 in this equation. So this will become 2g minus 3 times s, the value of s is 15, is equal to 25. Okay, so this will become this becomes 2g. So I will rub this is getting messy here. So this is 2g minus 45 is equal to 25, or 2g is equal to 25 plus 45 is equal to 5, and 5 is 10, 4 plus 2 is 6, 70, or g is equal to 70 divided by 2, or which is equal to 35. So originally or initially Geeta had 35 chocolates. I hope I make myself clear. Because of the lack of space, I was not able to solve the question properly. I apologize for that. Next question is, if A's income is 60% more than that of B's income, then how much percent is B's income less than that of A? So we have a relationship between, I will say here, if A is X percent greater than B, then B is, this is the formula I am writing, B is X divided by 100 plus X into 100. So I will write here into 100% less than A, less than A. So here we are told A's income is 60%. So in place of X we have 60. So this will become 60 divided by 100 plus X. This is 100 plus 60 is equal to 160 into 100. So this gets cancelled with this. Okay, this becomes 600 divided by 16, or we can write here, this is 2 8s are 16, 2 30s are, so 30 divided by 8 into 10. So we have 300 divided by 8. So this is 8 3s are 24. So this is 30 minus 24 is 6. and it is 0 here. So 8 sevens are 56, so it is something like 37.5. So the correct option would be 37. This is 37.5 would be correct option. I repeat here, if A's income is X% greater than B's income, then B's income would be less than A's income by how much percent? That is X divided by 100 plus X into 100. And similarly, if A's income is less than B, then we would have here minus. Okay, if A's income is less than X% less than the B's income, then would be more B's income would be more than A by this 100 minus X. So they are reciprocating each other. Just we have to change the sign and we will get the answer. If it was A's income is less than the income of the B. Next question is, the price of each of the apple is 10 rupees and that of each of the mango is 15. If a bag contains 40 apples and 20 mangoes, then what is the approximate average price per unit of the bag? So here we can see that price of apple is 10 and we have 40 apples. So total price of apples would be 400. Okay, also total price of mangoes would be, so we have 20 mangoes and price is 15, this is 300. Okay, so total price is equal to 700. Okay, and total quantity is 40 plus 20, that is equal to 60. Solving this will give us 6 ones are 6 11s are 66. So I guess we have 11 in the option, so we will go for B option. I'm not sure whether I have done the calculation right or wrong, or rather the method right or wrong, so you can correct me if there is miscalculation. Next question is, in this question, out of the 4 figures, 3 are similar in a certain manner. However, one figure is not like the other 3. Select the figure which is different from the rest. So here we can see we can use the parameter as the buttons. So here we can see this third figure has more buttons than the rest of 3. So I guess this C option would be correct in this case. Okay, you can visualize here the buttons are 3, here also 3, here 1 2 3 4 5 6 buttons are here. So the correct option is C. Coming to the next question, which of the figures given in the answer figures will complete the figural series given in the problem series? Okay, we can see first we have an upward, we have the pyramid shaped, then we have cone, again we have pyramid, and obviously next would be cone shaped. So either this option, these two are lost are the correct option. Either this could not be the correct option. Now here we can see in the first the number of rectangles are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. In the next we have one here 9 rectangles are in the triangle. In this we have 1 2 3 4 5 6, we have 6 here, here we have 3. So the number of rectangles decreases by a fixed number, that is 3. So in the last there should be no white rectangle in the figure. So the correct option should be D option. Next question is, what is the missing term in the given series? We have 1 by 4, we have 1 by 4, 1 by 8, 1 by 16 dash 1 by 64. So I guess it is very easy. It is 2 square, 2 cube, it is 2 to the power 4, and next would be 2 to the power 5. So this is 32. 1 by 32 should be correct option. That is 1 by 32 is correct option. Next question is, the ozone gas found in which of the following layers of the atmosphere absorbs harmful ultraviolet radiations and prevents them from reaching the Earth's surface? The options are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, or thermosphere. So the correct option is, I guess, it is the stratosphere, uh, where the ozone layer is found. Next question is, Kavarati is the capital of which of the following union territories in India? Options are Andaman and Nicobar, Pondicherry, Lakshadweep, Dadra and Nagar Haveli. I guess the correct option to this question is, mm, let us say C option is correct. I am not sure about this very question, so I go for the C. I suppose it can be also Andaman and Nicobar, but I will go for C. Next question is, which of the following communities celebrate the Hems festival in honor of Guru Padmasambhavana's birth anniversary? The options are Buddhists, Sikhs, Christians, or Parsis. This question, I guess the correct option should be Buddhists, because Hems Gumpa is in Ladakh, and there we have also Hems Gumpa monastery. So I guess the Buddhists would be correct option, as the most of the people living in Ladakh are Buddhists. Next question is, which of the following is a declarative sentence? Option A is the sun rises in the west. Yes, this is the declarative sentence. Please let me work. How hot it is? Have you done your homework? It is interrogative, and I guess the first option is correct. That is, the sun rises in the east is the declarative sentence. Choose the correct answer option with which correctly fill the blanks. Dash, the people you invited are coming. So I guess all the people, all should fill the blank here. Next question is, fill in the blanks with correct option. He confident even when he faces severe problems. I guess it is the last option, that is he remains confident even when he faces severe problems. Next question is, select the right antonym for the underlined word. People do not mimic their idols before but adore them. So the antonym of mimic should be praise. Mock, joke, and ridicule are the synonyms of the mimic, but praise is the antonym.